Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. There is Chan Kong Sang, who is professionally known as Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan is a Hong Kong actor and artist known for his slapstick acrobatic fighting style, comic timing, and innovative stunts, which he typically performs himself. He has trained in Wushu or Kung Fu and Hapkido and has been acting since the 1960s, performing in more than 150 films. He is one of the most popular action film star of all time. Jackie Chan was born on 7 April 1954 in Hong Kong as Chan Kong Sang to Charles and Lily Chan, refugees from the Chinese Civil War. His parents were so poor that had to borrow money from friends to pay the doctor. His parents nicknamed him Pao Pao because the energetic child was always rolling around. His parents worked for the French ambassador in Hong Kong, and Chan spent his formative years within the grounds of the consul's residence of the Victoria Peak district. Chan attended the Nava Primary School on Hong Kong Island, where he failed his first year, after which his parents withdrew him from the school. In 1960, his father immigrated to Canberra, Australia to work as the head cook of the American embassy, and Chan was sent to China Drama Academy, a Peking opera school run by Master Yu Jimyan. Chan trained rigorously for the next decade, excelling in martial arts and acrobatics. He eventually became part of the Seven Little Fortunes, a performance group made up of the school's best student, gaining the stage name Yen Lo in homage to his master. Chan became close to his fellow friends, group members Sammo Hung and Yunbei, and the three of them later became known as the Three Brothers or Three Dragons. After entering the film industry, Chan, along with Sammo Hung, got the opportunity to train Hapkido under the Grandmaster Jin Palking. And Chan, who also trained in other styles of martial arts such as karate, judo, taekwondo, and jeet kune do. Chen joined his parents' Canberra, Australia in 1976, where he briefly attended Dixon College and worked as a construction worker. A fellow builder named Jack took Chen under his wing, thus earned Chen the nickname of Little Jack, later shortened to Jackie, which has stuck with him ever since. In the late 1990s, Chen changed his Chinese name to Feng Silung, since his father's original surname was Feng. He began his career by appearing in small roles at the age of 5 as a child actor. At age 8, he appeared with some of his fellow Little Fortunes in the film Big and Little Wong Tin Bar, with Lily Ho playing his mother. The following year, the young actor appeared in the extras of The Love Eternal and had a small role in King Ho's in 1966 film Come Drink With Me. In 1971, after an appearance as an extra in another kung fu film, A Touch of Zen, Chan was signed to Chomo's Great Art Film Company. At 17, he worked as a stuntman in the Bruce Lee films Fist of Fury and Enter the Dragon under the stage name Chen Yen Lung. He received his first starring role later that year in Little Tiger of Canton, which had a limited release in Hong Kong in 1973. While at the 2012 Cannes Film Festival, Chen announced that he was retiring from action films, citing that he was getting too old for the genre. He later clarified that he would not be completely retiring from action films, but would be performing fewer stunts and taking care of his body move. In 2013, Chen starred in Police Story 2013, a reboot of the Police Story franchise directed by Ding Cheng, and it was released in China at the end of 2013. Chan's next film, Dragon Blade, was released in early 2015 and co-starred Hollywood actor John Cusack and Adrian Brody. In 2015, Chan was awarded the title of Datuk by Malaysia as he helped Malaysia to boost its tourism, especially in Kuala Lumpur, where he previously shoots his film. In early 2017, Chan's new film titled Kung Fu Yoga, a Chinese-Indian project which also starred Disha Patani, Sonu Sood and Amrita Dastar, was released. The film reunited Chan with director Stanley Tong, who directed a number of Chan's films in the 1990s. Upon release, the film was a huge success at the box office, and China became the fifth highest grossing film in China 1 month after its release. In 2016, he teamed up with Johnny and starred in his own production Skip Trace. Chan starred in the 2016 action comedy Railroad Tigers and the 2017 action thriller The Foreigner. An Anglo-Chinese production, he also stars in the science fiction film Bleeding Steel. In 2021, he will appear in Project Extraction alongside John Cena. His films had collectively grossed $1.14 billion at the Hong Kong box office up to 2010, over $72 million in South Korea between 1991 and 2010, and $48.4 billion in Japan up to 2012. As of 2018, his films have grossed $1.84 billion in the United States and Canada, 8.6 billion in China, 20 million box office admissions in France, and over 27.3 million admissions in Germany, Spain, and Italy. As of 2018, his films have grossed more than $5 billion at the worldwide box office. If you like my video, then hit the like button and share to your friends. If you want to see more videos like that, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.